just so I don't. Stay calm, stay calm. You're good. I think you're good. This could actually be the high on the dollar index, or the new lower high. But technically, if we're looking from the overall trend, we broke out of it. Well, like, I'm talking on the 1 hour. I'm not talking on like higher time frames. On the 4 hour, we're still bullish. So like, yeah, if this thing starts breaking down though, man, we'll wait for 8 o'clock. That's what I'm saying. I don't like trading this time until 8. I wake up usually 6:30 or 7:20. So I wake up 6:30, check the phone, see what's up. If nothing's really moving, nothing's really interesting me, then I just go back to sleep for another what, 50 minutes, and then I wake up 7:20. Yeah, exactly. I've realized that over the time of just doing this every day is it's not fun waiting and just seeing nothing, you know? So I might as well just sleep. 30. Yes, we did. Like we're still bullish. We're still bullish, yeah. Long term, like on an intraday perspective, we're bullish for sure. What was your plan? Yeah, like from 1902 to 1910 is nice. I like that area. Even 1900. It's just that high that we created on June 7th. I'm not a fan of that. But let's see the volume on it. Gold didn't close above though, so just mind you that. On the 30-minute, gold didn't close above, so previous wick. Just close enough. I'm specific as fuck though, like I don't if that thing doesn't close above, bro, that lets me know. I know, bro. I know. It's bad. It's fucking bad. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. It's like a God's day kind of thing. Oh, okay, okay. Fuck, man. What happened here? My chart got all fucked up. I have no clue what happened. I don't know, like some things are deleted. I don't know if I deleted them yesterday or I don't remember this chart being like this, but anyways, I'll fix it. Don't worry. Yeah, I'll probably start looking for better trades closer to 8. I'm just gonna grab a little bit more food because I'm hungry as fuck. I don't know why. We have no news besides Aussie and New Zealand. What's prelim ANZ business confidence? How well businesses are doing or some shit? Yeah. hmm Oh, this is tonight. Holy shit. 9 p.m. Yeah, I forgot. Okay, so yeah, we have no news today then. We're good. We're clear. I ain't watching that no more. You and me both, bro. Bro, what is it like? Billions of dollars to move the 1 pip? Something like that. I don't know, like five. Yeah, it's 500 mil, I think. If I'm not corrected. Yeah, you just need billions, bro, to even move it. But it'd be cool to see it, like to see it happen. Like, oh, you just make a transaction, and that shit just flies. That'd be kind of cool. But wouldn't that be insider trading? It's illegal as fuck. I wonder if those guys actually do it though. Like, I would. I would. Bro, to think that they wouldn't is be a fucking lie. Man, nah, bro. I'm just like, I'm just teaching my friend like the basics, support resistance shit, like getting his trend lines right and figuring out market structure a little bit better, don't use indicators kind of bullshit. Um, nah, I don't trade with nobody. I trade by myself. I feel like when I have people, it's all extra noise, and it makes me lose confidence in myself when I have other opinions. So I kind of just try to blank people out, right? Like no, like when you talk, I don't mean it in a disrespectful way though. I just mean like, everyone has their own opinion. Exactly, exactly. And like sometimes someone's opinion, like my friend Karem, he has an opinion that's very strong and narrative, so he like to put out his opinion and make it known. But um, we trade differently, right? So we see the market differently, and I'm not gonna base my opinion off. I'm not gonna change my bias because of whatever he says about his pitchfork stuff. You know what I'm saying? So I just, I'm not, bro. This guy uses only pitchforks. I'm like, whoa, okay, man. I'm like, why do you make it so complicated for yourself? Like his chart is fucking 16 pitchforks, but like all different ones that make sense to him. Just like how we have like support resistance lines and shit like that. But I don't know. I feel like my analysis is like a lot cleaner than his, and he's kind of just hasn't found the strategy that he wants to use yet. 100%. You can also tell by like someone's confidence in how much they want to trade, like how badly they want to do it, and that kind of lets me know if someone's like actually gonna do something with like trading, or if they're just gonna flop and say, I'm just gonna do it here and there, not take it seriously. I don't know. I feel like you can't take. How do I say this? You can't not take trading seriously. It's either you do it 100% or you don't do it at all. Can't do 50% effort. Yeah, that's the hardest, bro. Definitely the hardest. Expenses in life. Okay. So I had a question for you. When I start making money, I know you're a very money smart person, so I'm gonna ask for your input, your 2 cents. Want to know how would I start to invest my money elsewhere instead of the forex market? Like I'm looking to get into real estate. Like I'm over buying cars and shit, like clothes, what I don't care about that shit. But when I start making good money, which should be this year, I'm thinking about investing, like just saving up for a down payment of a house or some rental property. But do you know much about investments in real estate? Hmm. Make money? Yeah. L- It's a long-term investment. Yeah, makes sense. No, that makes sense for sure. What are you looking to do long term? Like, just curious. Like, you have a plan for yourself? You ever think about it? No. I mean, like, in terms of, like, in a year from now, what do you want to do with your money kind of thing, you know? Like, what is your goals? Huh? Shit, we're breaking. Yeah, gold pushing like crazy, bro. That was very nice. The gold's good, bro. Yeah, I'm in. I entered on the break. So, I don't know. I feel like I don't want to target 1900. I want to target 1902. That's a stretch though. Oh, we'll see. We'll see. I mean, if we break out, I mean, yeah, two more pips and I'm gone. I'm at 1897. Yeah, I was a little late on the entry. I could have saved myself like I don't know 5 6 pips, but I'm already at 10 pips, so I'm breaking even now. Stop loss at break even. Yeah, 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 yeah. Trust me, extend it. I'm aiming for 1901.61. That's my take on this. Hmm. Oh shit, me too. I was trying to do that actually. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. But that's understandable though. That's understandable. I mean, if we break above 1898.5, above all those three wicks on the 30 minute, I think that'd be good. You're up like 40 pips now, no? Yeah, you're like 40 pips. Bro, just take that. I always secure a profit now. 15-minute open. If it continues, you're good. You have to do it in multiple days, like 10. That's fucking gay, bro. S- Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, technically, yeah, yeah. That's what I was gonna say. Those are big numbers, dude. You should be proud of yourself. More than I have. I might be out soon. I'm one pip away from getting stopped out. Bitch, don't stop me out. Swear to God. Yeah, yeah, I'm getting stopped. No shit, I'm getting stopped. Alright, I'm out. I'm out. Done. I mean, at this point, there's no rush. everyone's fucking stagnant right now. So like COVID is controlling us in a sense. So the fact that you took this year to just focus on, I was gonna say gold, focus on trading is more than enough. Because that's what I did too. I just focused on trading and my mental health. Like, there's no reason for me to get frustrated about not making money because jobs, like my opportunities were all canceled due to COVID. So my job opportunities, everything, my possibilities to make like over, six figures, five figures even, like I'm fine with that. Like could have been possible, but now I'm just chilling and it sucks because I'm a broke ass bitch still having to pay off OSAP with like only haircuts. I'm super positive about it though. Like, yeah, I have OSAP, but at the same time, I'm not scared of like how much debt I'm in. I'm like not in that much debt. So to me, this is just like a phase in life where, you have to go through it. You gotta suck it up and spend less than you're comfortable with and save more than you're comfortable with. That's kind of my mentality right now. And it's working out fine. Just people like to bust my balls about like, oh, you could have been working now, blah blah blah. I'm like, yeah, I could have, but you know, do you see me complaining, or who's complaining here, you or me? Yeah, I mean it's frustrating, of course. Like everybody wants money, but I don't know. I feel like I'm just like time is going by, man. Time is just going by until shit starts opening up and my life starts getting going again. I miss like social interaction. I'm like craving that. I am, like, bro. I'm talking to this girl too. Yo, let me tell you a fucked up story. Oh shit, I shouldn't be. I shouldn't tell you this on stream, bro. No. This doesn't go anywhere though. It's all private. You're gonna say some fucked up shit on the stream, man. Yeah. Professional trader, what? This guy says pussy. Man, the 5 minute looks good if it rallies again. I like the 5 minute right now. Your 1 minute looks clean too. Yeah, motherfucker. Motherfucker took me out and just left without me. What a fucking bitch. Fuck. Fuck me. Bro, I'm so tempted to re-enter this. I'm waiting for the break though. I'm waiting for that break above 1898.56. Oh, don't test me, bro. Don't test me, bro. Come on. This is a risky one, man. Nah, last 8 minutes? Nah, last 8 minutes. A 30-minute candle? Fuck that. I'm not doing that. 30-minute candle already pushing, bro. Fuck that. Yo, fuck. Fuck. This would have been nice. Oh my god. Okay, whatever. Accept that one. Take the L. Actually I won. So you know what? Mind over matter. It's gonna retrace. Watch. It's gonna retrace in the next 8 minutes. Take your shit right now. Okay, okay. Fully? Or you have a runner? Why? I mean, you could still technically couldn't you still leave a runner and then you can still trade the next day, no? Uh-huh. You're scalping then basically. Technically you're scalping, yeah. This is like my niche. I love scalping. I'm not a fan of like swings just yet. I love swings, but I just haven't understood it, like how to get in. But with how it moves on a scalping perspective, I know how to enter. Lo- Yo, I'm pissed that this thing continues though. I'm for real pissed. If it goes to 1900, I'm fucking pissed. Yeah, we got 5 more minutes for this 30 minute to close. If this is gonna continue, I'd expect this 30 minute to close above all the bodies at 1897.23, and then create that upper wick so that we have a range to continue up for the next candles. GJ. On the hourly, it looks better. No? Yeah, I see that. But you're so how I see this right now is a little fake out on your 1 hour. Your 30 minutes coming down right now. If this 30 minute is closing bearish and we're engulfing that previous candle at the 7 o'clock candle, we could possibly head down back to that 154 700 area before then continuing back up if we find that reversal, if this is truly the double bottom. But in a sense, yeah, I'm still bearish on this until we see that reversal. But it is starting to halt at 154.63 area. So I like that. So what were you gonna say? No fucking clue, bro. That's why I'm asking you. Like the fuck? Hmm. Yeah. No, you did a good trade actually. In my opinion, I wouldn't have got out, but the fact that you did get out, I think that was a smarter decision because last 5 minutes of the hour candle, you never know, man. You're safe than sorry. That's all I could say. Would you rather secure it or would you rather lose more money and then be like, ah, shit, it's okay. I think the fact that like gold moves so many pips in a day just turns me on. I think that's why I love gold so much. And like I love indexes, like the S&P. Oh my God, the S&P, bro. Fucking yo, the S&P turns me the fuck on. I don't know why. I don't trade it, but it just I'm so eager to trade it. I it way too much. Like I do full analysis on it, everything, bro. I love it. GU, yeah. Hold on, I didn't. Oh fuck, I didn't do analysis on GU. Anyways, okay, so GU we're fucking ranging basically. Like what the? Just keep that in mind. Oh, gold's going. Yeah, this is real FOMO. Oh shit. Oh God, bro. The money. Yeah, it's definitely hitting 1900s today. 100%. That's that's fucking clean move. Oh my God, that 5 minute was so clean. I fucking knew it. Oh shit, you get this rally base rally right here. Fucking gorgeous. That was so clean. Oh my, if you took third, oh my God, I had bro, you should have fucking held that, but like, fuck, man, that's crazy. I got stopped, so I was fucked anyways. Fuck, if I had my entry a little bit better, that would have been beautiful. Oh my God, if I had it like just 2 pips below, 2 pips is all I needed to be safe. Fuck, that late entry really got me. Yeah, so new hour, fuck that. I don't think we're gonna continue fully just yet. I want this to come down now. Like, I want it to come down. Doesn't deserve to go this high, bro. It's unfair. Euro is starting to take a turn. The Euro New Zealand for sells. I don't. Yeah. Oh, I was talking about Euro New Zealand, not GJ. Yeah, yeah. Euro New Zealand is flipping just a bit. Oh fuck, like a patty, like a patty. Like I'm more selling bias on Euro New Zealand, but just like how it's forming on the 4 hour, it's like in the middle of both supply and demand, and I'm just not a fan of where it's sitting right now. Like if we're gonna break up, we better break up. If we're not, then which pair? Yen. Yeah, I know, I see what you're looking at. I just don't know if I want to take that though. Not just yet. Uh, I mean, technically on a daily perspective, we're in a base right now. We're just basing. On a 4 hour, we're still ranging. So we're playing a consolidation right now. And if this is truly staying inside of this consolidation zone, then if we have a leg up or a leg out, it would have to probably be on your 4 hour, which could either be this next hour or your next upcoming 4 hour with your New York session open. But I don't know, man. I don't like how it's forming on the 4 hour for buys, so I'll probably be a seller for sure, especially with the news. hmm Um, whatever's more comfortable for you, honestly. Here, I'll make a little text chat for just yours stuff if you wanted to. Yeah. So I made it a private text channel, and only you can post in here. So it's called Black Boy. Bro, you can't even say shit, man. Your name is Black Magic. What is Black Magic then? Exactly. Can't tell me. I consider it was made by black people. Isn't Black Magic like Fugazi? Fugazi? What do you want to call it? Ooh, gold is tempting to go up now. It's another rally base rally on your 5 minute. Oh, wow. If- I'm watching it right now because it looks clean. You have another 30 pips if you break out. 34 pips. Uh, nah, I'm not taking this though. I'm not taking it. It's too high up. It's way too much for me. Like it'll probably go up to 1902. Yeah, yeah. I just don't feel confident in this one. Like it could just keep moving. Who knows? Like gold is fucking retarded, man. Gold just keeps going sometimes. It'll probably even go in 1910 if it really wants to, but because technically this is your lower high on a lower time frame. I mean, even on your 1 hour time frame, it's technically your lower high. We're looking to create your hour is fully bullish. Previous hour is completely bullish. See, okay, when a candle is closing like that on the 7 o'clock candle on gold on the hour, what does that tell you? Like, what does that candle, that price action candle tell you? That big bullish candle. Yeah, yeah. The 7 o'clock candle that just closed. Yeah. Mm. I think one of the key things I realized during that London, New York kind of overlap is the fact that when London closes, or like not closes, but the volume starts to die around 6, right? So it is. I feel like it creates a low or like a high most of the time, and then prices will reverse or it'll test it or, So it creates something significant as that 6 o'clock candle or 5 o'clock. Sometimes it's different every day, right? But right? Like I don't know. I've seen that. I think it's because you actually told me one time that when you were looking at London, it you pinpointed the true high or true low of the day, and then all of a sudden it started to just rally or something like that. And then I started to see that more often. The fact that like after London session, I look at the pivot points that it created, and those are those become like higher time frame later down the road. They become higher time frame pivot points, right? Right? So I was just like, how does how can I use that to my advantage to understand how London closing can create either a new high or a new low for the market so that I can start trading it when, my session comes in. Or like I don't know, it's just it's weird the way I started seeing that when you told me. When like someone tells you something, you start seeing shit more? Yeah, or like I don't know, bro, like you see a car that you like and then you just start seeing it more often on the road. You know what I'm saying? Oh, maybe you're black, but wait, what? Young thug? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hold up. I'll be right back, though. I'll be right back. Okay. Text me if anything's moving, okay? I'll be right back. I'm in on gold again. Thank the Lord. Yeah, you there? Okay. No, no worries. 1 minute already broke out. I'm already 6 pips up. Nice. Hey, that's the whole point of it though, is secure and then you can always re-enter another time, you know? But that's up to you if you want to re-enter, right? Well, this is what I do. Like I take and then I re-enter if I need to, and then I continue it, and then I re-enter if I need to, you know? It just eases my mind because at least I secured something. Like, yeah, this trade's at break even already now. Fuck it. Kind of over leveraged this one, but yeah. I'm waiting for it to break. I'm waiting for it to. You're bearish on it, right? Oh, you're bullish right now. I'm bearish short term. Right now, I'm bearish. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. What was my... Oh, there go. Wait, no, no. Gold, it's trying to break the high. Yeah, yeah. Nice. Yeah. I'm securing. Closing another half. Yeah, I over leveraged the fuck out of this trade, but worth it. Yeah. This 1900 level is scary, bro. I'm basically done for the day. That was quick. I wish every day was like this. Simple, easy to read. Yeah, I feel like I want to create a Telegram, but I also like I don't like using Discord as like my library of journals. I don't know. I don't know. It's, you like Discord or you like thing more? Telegram. You like a lot of Discord. Typical black answer. Oh, I'm out. Yeah. True, true, true. Mm, mm. Yeah, that was just a quick retracement back up to see if we could break 1900, and clearly we couldn't. So if we start breaking below, we have targets down at 1897, 1896 area, and then so on. Jeez. $100 day? Crazy motherfucker. Happy. Like, I don't know why I do this, but I always start with like small accounts. I don't try to trade like $10,000 accounts. I trade with $2,000 accounts just to ease myself into it. Yeah, see, GJ, I feel like it's gonna come down. Like, for sure. I feel like it's gonna come down. 30-minute looks pretty clean to continue down to that 154.67, which is only like 6 pips away. Clean structure on the 5-minute though. I don't know why I'm so scared to trade with real money though. Fear and greed. Fear. Yeah. You're at break even? Oh, okay. Oh, you're trading both accounts at once. You're crazy. Mm. Gold is rejecting on the 5-minute. Could we continue up? Possibly. Yeah. Let's take a look at it. Bro, I don't even look at that queer no more. No, yeah. You or Daniel? Yeah. Are you reading his telegram? Oh, what the fuck? I mean, aren't you a buyer in GJ right now? Oh, until, yeah, the break. Gold's gonna rally. Yep. So I'm looking for a position above the break, stop loss below previous 5-minute structure. Looking at the high of 1903 as targets as my first, or yeah, probably your first target. I need to close above 1900.4. Then I'm good. So Euro New Zealand starting to drop, breaking the minor trend that we have on the 30-minute. 5-minute, we're starting to close below the trend. Can we get a retracement? Possibly. We're starting to see some light rejection in the first 3 minutes of this 5 minute candle. We have 2 more minutes in the 30-minute candle to close bearish. If we close bearish, we have some range to 1.686. Yeah, if this trend starts changing, we got good targets. We got like a 50 pip range to kind of work with, which is technically your daily range. Mind you, since we're ranging, we might not even take it down to that previous low on the 4 hour, 1 hour. Just gotta monitor this. Gold not panning out in our favor. Rejecting the upside and the downside, creating some sort of range on smaller time frames. 15-minute, I think, is what I'm going to be having to look for. A close on the 15-minute at least above 1900. This last minute, let's see what it could do. I need to take a shit. I'll be right back. Last trade of the day got activated. Blessed. I'm in gold. Currently, I'm gonna share my screen. Actually, oh yeah, gold is. I'm 15 pips in gold right now. This is my last trade. Yeah, bro, it's 1901, 1902 now. It's fucking flying. I was watching when I was taking a shit. I'm like, yeah, I gotta enter. My plan was to trade this anyways, so this is my definitely my last trade, cause yeah, I'm currently up just the tads right now. Let's go share the screen. This is my trade. Now. Boy, today's a good day. Dang. Caught so many good trades today. Not a single loss. Wow, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 losses out of like 30 trades. Beautiful. Euro is coming down still. 30-minute close below the trend line I had. So it could be breaking. 15-minute close pretty nice. Oh man, gold, please. I'm focusing on gold right now. Yeah, so I guess technically it all played out the way we expected, huh? Exactly to the T. I might extend my targets for a runner. Nah, man, you did what you had to do, bro. Yeah, I might extend to 1907. Stop loss at break even right now, anyways. So 1907.8181. All right, blessed. Uh, take partials at here. Fuck, I need this to be orange, bro. Text TP. Actually, this should be black. Fuck it. And next TP is gonna be right about here. Actually, we have a zone right here. It's pretty nice. And we got up here. Wow. 25 pips in a 5-minute trade. This is nice. Gold's blessing me today. Straight up. It's a $300 day, man. Fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna secure half of this. Yes, of course. Of course. People, I mean, people like Levis are gonna say it's fucking bullshit and all that, but honestly, man, like I don't listen to fucking nonsense. I can. Sorry, go. You don't need it. You don't need it then. Yeah, you don't need it. I scalp. Yeah, 100%. I got it because of the fact that I know I'm gonna be a scalper. I'm more of a person who's like less patient, but I'm patient in terms of scalping time frames. So that's what I'm okay with, and I decided, you know what? It's better that I have something that can help me get in, get out fast than try to use my own like mouse and keyboard, you know? It just protects me and it lets me secure fast. So like if I need stop loss break even, boom, done. Like don't no hesitation. I don't need to click anything, just one button. So I think with magic keys, my trades have improved drastically, I must say. Not that the fact that, you know, like my trades are any different, but it's just the fact that I can execute so accurately and size my positions properly without thinking. And I think that's the whole point of trading is fast executions is very important. Gold's rejecting. I don't know. Do I secure half? Hmm. Let's look at Euro USD. Say it again. There is no news for gold. Um, Therefore gold. Yeah, not very high impact, but overall, yeah. This gold should be going up technically from a fundamental and technical perspective. Um, Honestly, bro, you had to see it to get into it because this is like super scalping. So like if you weren't here at like 7:30, 8 o'clock, you probably were gonna miss this trade regardless. It would have been too late. Like I'm entering late anyways, but I'm managing myself pretty well. Like every time I'm 5 pips up, I just stop loss break even and let it run, and then it goes 20 pips. So I don't often do this, but the fact that it's working today because we're in a trending market, well, lower time frame trending market, it helps, right? I mean, even higher time frame, we're technically trending up still. So even if you go in the 1 hour, 4 hour, we've been trending up. So my bias on lower time frames is gonna be bullish, right? We know that we pulled back and we created some sort of low at 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock during the London session. We were kind of ranging. After London session kind of closed or 6 o'clock closed, we saw a break above, and that's what kind of indicated this whole rally back up to 1900 area. So that's what we were kind of trying to capitalize on. If I don't know, what time did you come in at, Rocco? 8:30? Yeah, so yeah, we're basically anticipating prices. Yeah, we were anticipating prices to reach this level right here, the 1897 level. As prices start to reach there, we said, okay, we can either have one of two things, where we can have rejection off of these three wicks right here to come back down, or we could see this as sort of a potential break to continue further past as we had clean traffic to your left and we had a resistance zone right here, right? So this is sort of like our target area. We hit it already. So the trade's done. Like I'm out of this trade. I just got stopped. But essentially we were taking trades like from down here. Anthony took a trade down here, took a trade somewhere around here, and then another trade here, and then the last trade was this trade. So I took 3 trades today, all profit, no losses. Made around 200, 210. Yeah. 210, which is good on a $2,000 account. So it was a very simple day, dude. Like you couldn't get more simple than this. It was just very straightforward. Yeah, and the fact that like like we had volume coming in at like 6, so it was not surprising to the least because it's gold, but most of the time I like to trade around 7:30 or higher or onwards, I mean. So like 8 o'clock is my sweet spot because that's when volume of the New York session, the US market's open, right? And then we have also 9:30 volume, which I'm probably not going to trade because I'm done for the day. So I'm just going to watch it for a couple more minutes, and then I'm off. Yeah, basically. Basically. Well, I made it in an hour. Yeah. But if you ask Anthony, he trust me. Honestly, it's not about the money though. It's about like it's about the consistency. Nah, bro. No, it's about your it's yeah. Overall, okay, yeah. If you're talking a grand scheme of things, yeah, we all trade for one reason, to get money. But like your purpose in trading as a beginner is not to aim for the money. It's to aim to be profitable or have a decent success rate, right? If you know how to manage yourself and stay in profits, you're gonna end up being more successful than somebody who doesn't know how to manage themselves and has fear and greed written all over them, right? But yeah, essentially it is all about money. That's why we're looking at these charts. It's money, right? At the end of the day, but you know, you gotta think logically too that what is your goal for the day? Like, what are you trying to achieve for the day in comparison to your account size, or like what is your milestones that you're trying to achieve on a month-to-month basis or a year-to-year basis, right? And once you kind of figure those things out, then you can start to plan ahead. Yeah, and like every day you just take it one day at a time, one day at a time. If one day's a loss, then okay, so be it. Just don't overtrade. And that's the thing about managing yourself and your emotions is like, do you have the ability to actually get off and not overtrade? Because it's trading is so accessible, right? You're on your phone, you're on your computer, you can do it anywhere in the world, right? At the ease of your hand. hmm Like there's like an emotional. I remember when like I was starting off, there was a barrier that I had to break in terms of emotions, and until I broke that barrier, I was then like more confident in myself. I was more like I was able to see things from a more mature perspective, I guess you could say, right? And honestly, Anthony helped me with a lot of that. Like, I haven't had someone who helped me more than Anthony. So I could definitely say most of that was done through him and just like being there supporting me. So that's why I say like whenever you need help or whenever you need something, you can always ask me because I'm there to help you, and I would want the same for myself, right? So it just helps. Of course, bro. Yeah. Yeah. There's a lot to learn, like a lot. We're still learning. We're always learning. And like exactly. Uh-huh. Yeah. And like you've only been doing it for not you, Anthony, but Rocco has only been doing it for like the past couple weeks, right? So the fact that you're so fresh to it is you're gonna be flooded with tons of information. It just depends on what information you actually absorb and what makes sense to you the most. But try to focus on like important shit, not like indicators and like the bullshit that people send that feed you um, false hope. Like find a system that works for you and that makes sense to you. Holy fuck, gold is just fucking shitting itself now. Oh my god. Fucking 80 pip drop. Jesus Christ. We're probably coming all the way down now. Now we created a double top basically on your 30 minute and your hour. Fuck, gold shit the bed today. Thank God I got out. 100 pips. Oh my god. What the fuck is going on? Gold just dropped 100. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Holy. Wow. 120. Can we fucking get 150? Can we get 150? I don't know. No, fuck that. Are you crazy? I was buyer all day until this shit happened. This shit, yeah. Holy fuck, man. This is wiping out everybody. You were in gold? Wow. That was a sexy drop. That shit turned me on. Not gonna lie. Yeah. Hundreds of retail traders blown right here. Millions. And it's 8:30 data, right? Well, after that push, yeah. Do you believe all news is important? Do you believe all news is important? Wait, what US news? Trade balance. We're wait, we're Tuesday. Oh, sorry, my bad. I was looking at Monday. My bad. hmm I need to go over fundamentals with you. You still need to teach me bonds, huh? Wow, this thing's still fucking dropping. Yeah, don't. Yeah, because this shit happens. This could have happened earlier, you know? This could happen anytime. So yeah, be grateful that you got that. Yeah. I mean, you can't control this shit, man. You really can't. You just have to go with it. You have to. Oh my, jeez. That 5 minutes scary, man. That shit's scary. And Rocco, when you see big candles like this, just know you already missed the move. Because there's no way I'm entering on this. Unless you're a fucking psychopath, but it's late, but in a long-term perspective, it's not. But I'm talking like if you're scalping, yeah, Yeah, like this hourly is getting there. Oh fuck, thank God I have magic keys, bro. This thing would have fucked me hard. I was literally at the peak. Like I was right up there, riding it up. And then this shit happens. Like not even like 3 minutes later, like what the fuck? We could recover some of this though. Oh, I'm not trading this. I'm just they know, bro. They know. I know you've seen those memes where it's like he bought and then that shit's so funny, man. That was me when I was like a couple months in with Gen XT. For me to buy, uh, that's what I told you. I literally told you on the stream. I told you hold this tonight, extend your take profit to 1903, but you just took out before anything. But bro, that's just FOMO. Don't worry about that. I mean, if we start breaking this 5 minute wick, hmm, hmm. Yeah, I'm turning my fucking terminal off before I start pressing buttons I don't want to press. Today was a great day. Let's not ruin it. Oh. How many people are you training, Anthony? Yeah, like five? 10. They paying you? Wow, you're such a nice guy, bro. We just create company accounts. Yeah, yeah. I see that too, though. It's not daunting at all, actually. I don't think it is. Like guidelines. Guidelines. Depending on the position, right? Get every bro, give everybody a magic key. I know, he copied it from somebody. He literally copied it from somebody. Mhm. No, it's good for risk management for beginners though, I must say. If there is one thing I could tell somebody to get, if they're trading like on a computer, is get a magic keys so that you can manage your position properly. Because most beginner traders over leverage like a fuck ton and they don't know what they're actually risking. So what? It's basically what do you mean? What is that? Wait, what's a wait tech? Oh, like your Bloomberg keyboard? I basically have that. Way tech key trading. Yeah, I'm kind of interested. Oh yeah, it's like the Bloomberg thing. Yeah, exactly, exactly. Yeah, yeah, I know what you're talking about. What the fuck? How about just one monitor? Like I just want to focus on one. Yeah, yeah, 100%. Yeah, Bloomberg keyword is sick, man. But I don't like it. I just like their layout and everything. It looks kind of cool. Yeah, it is. Isn't it? Honestly, man. Nah. Yeah, you are right, actually. It does look outdated. I get what you're saying. I'm looking at it now. It does. Hmm. No, I don't think so. I only think you need it if you're a professional institutional trader. You don't need it if you don't need it as a retail trader, to be honest. You're not trading for banks. You don't need that kind of. I mean, you can get a little intense with it, but I don't know. Yeah. I mean, it'd be sick to do what Levis is doing, eh? Like, I don't know. Wait, Anthony, is Levis has his own trading floor, right? Kinda, or not trading floor, but you know, Century Capital, the brother, cousin or brother? I thought it was brother. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know, man. Does he actually make? Does he actually make that much money though? Be honest. Okay, I'll take it for what it is. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, I got you. I'm not a fan. Yeah. They rely heavy on indicators, in my opinion. They know how to market though. I mean, they got a lot of freaking 101s. You know how much people are paying for that shit? Like we did. Yeah, exactly. I don't regret anything I paid for, to be honest. Yeah, no, I understand that. I think I kind of like realized that I shouldn't retain it, so I didn't. Yeah, 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 yeah. You know, like what he taught wasn't wrong, but it wasn't like the end all be all. That's what I feel. Like you could, I don't like it helps understand a little bit, in my opinion, like the way, like moving averages. Basically, all I took from it was moving averages. That's all I learned basically is like how to work around moving averages. And then I still use moving averages till this day, but I don't depend on them, right? I just use them for my eye. No, don't make me feel bad now. I paid like 2.2 or something or something like that. No, actually no, was it 2.2 or 1.5? I don't know, one of those. I think mine was 2.5 then. What the fuck was that? You want me to take off my shirt? Yeah, gold's recovering. Very nice. Nice to meet you. 50 pip recovery. Yeah, yeah. This is expected though. I just wasn't. I was not expecting the drop though. That's what I wasn't expecting. Like the huge drop, I didn't expect that. You know why I didn't expect it is because I didn't have my fundamental, the low impact news highlighted. I only have medium and high, so I didn't see that, and I was like, fuck, because I was just trying to get an overview of what was going on, like what's really, really gonna push the market possibly. But yeah, I should keep that on next time, because that could have fucked me hard. Hmm? Oh yeah, if I was still in the trade, like I mean, technically I still would have been stopped out. I don't have stop losses that linger on that long, 100 pips. So my stop losses are like 10 to 25, maybe 30 pips max, right? So yeah, I would have been stopped out for sure. But the fact that I put break even after 10 pips, no matter what, is just my rule. That me or me or Anthony? So like long term, right? hmm I mean, you can't make good money if you have $100 on a long term position. I mean, you can, but your position's gonna be hella small. Yeah, yeah. hmm Intraday, intraday, intraday. Don't scalp. Scalping is like the next thing you want to learn if you're trying to go to that. Yeah, yeah. Let's just say you need a lot of what's it called? Discipline as a scalper. I mean, as any trader, but yeah, as a scalper, it fucks with your emotions a lot because you think a big candle is gonna move the market, but realistically, you go on a 30-minute chart and it's just creating a fucking wick, you know? So yeah, I would focus on like intraday time frames. Don't try to trade your 1 minute, 5 minute kind of thing, right? Try to focus on like your hourly, 30 minute, 15 minute at most. But once you get the hang of it, then you're able to dive down into your 1 minute, 5 minute, get a little bit more accurate, right? But that comes with the experience, right? You're not just gonna blindly off the bat know what you're doing, right? Like even still to this day, like you gotta mark up your charts, you gotta like understand what you're looking at day in, day out, right? Like even still, sometimes I don't know what the fuck I'm looking at, but I try to make sense out of it, right? And that's the whole point. It's just try to make some sort of sense out of it, so that you get better and better and better every day. But like stay consistent with your analysis, right? There's no point in doing an analysis one way and then the next day you do something completely different. It's about consistency. Like if you're gonna do something the same way every single fucking time, so that it makes sense to you every time you do it. And you're confident in that ability to do it that same way every single time and not switch it up, right? Because if you switch up one thing, that could mean your whole strategy is switched up now, right? So it's just I mean, not fully broken. Your whole strategy is not fully broken, but I'm just saying, like, the more consistent you are, the more effective you'll become, in my opinion. But everyone's different. Every trader is different. How I see the market is completely different than how Anthony sees the market. It's just that when you have like-minded individuals helping you, and you have people who know certain things, you leverage them. Like Anthony is very good with fundamentals and the economy and macro and microeconomics. So what do? I utilize him in that sense and ask him for help, right? There's no shame in asking somebody for help ever. Don't ever think that like it's shameful that like, oh, I should be asking for, like, no, you don't know shit. So like the fact that you're asking for help already shows that you're growing, right? That you want to grow more, which will entice people to want to help you. Me too. Yeah, I'll be on tomorrow. Later, guys.